All right, so my Cape Parrot's gonna help me demonstrate how to teach your parrot to hang off your finger like a parrot. The goal is to be able to have your parrot hanging off your finger like this, just by his feet, and we're gonna show you how it's done. So in the beginning, the key to this trick, it's a very easy trick. The key is to get the bird to be comfortable laying in your hands and laying on and hanging off and laying off and hanging off and hanging off. So you're gonna put your hand on his back like this, and you can get him.
I am mental!
Those chickens.
Roll up to the party with my crazy pink wig, but I can't get through the door because my booty's too big.